place is so pretty.
I can see, I can feel you from a million miles away. Like the earth moves with every step you take. I don't know you, but I want you. All I do is think of ways to get closer, to make you feel the same. It's like you're out to get me, without you even knowing you were fake me. A chain reaction, and it's forcing me to fall hard, so hard in love. It's the ripple effect.
Alright, we found a nice little coffee shop that has oat milk now. Yay!
It's the first place I've seen that does almond milk.
Yeah.
I'm not scared. What do you recommend with that?
I can't drink coffee.
Oh, okay. I'll just have a matcha, plant-based matcha.
You want almond or cashew?
Oat milk, sugar. Thank you.
Let's get a pineapple.
Pineapple.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on.
The weather doesn't seem to be on our side here. We're currently on the search for some vintage shops. We just walked like 15 minutes from like that center that we were at. And now we're at like this super green, super like aesthetic road. And apparently there's like 2 or 3 vintage shops here, so we'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look.
My word, we'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look.
No cuts from the last one, but we're now at Hoi An. I think this looks like it's for girls.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We just found a vegan cafe, so we had a little stop in, and look at what we got.
Someone got a vegan cheesecake.
Raw pistachio chocolate tart.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Was that coconut?
That's
Finally a coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee, hello.
And I got a
Most
Hoi
good.
An by juice. I don't know what's in it, to be honest.
Because he's so healthy.
I'm on my health kick.
Okay, so we didn't buy anything vintage shopping, but Hoi An is known for its tailoring, like all the clothes, bespoke clothes made for you. So we are on our way now to Two Ladies Tailor, and I've got a couple ideas of some fits that I want. So yeah, look at the Starbucks just blending into the World UNESCO Heritage Site. Oh, this is it, nice. Ladies. Two ladies.
$70. Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you. And now we start measure for you.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just went inside and she did all my measurements. We looked at like materials and stuff. And then she like drew all the like designs out. I showed her the picture that I wanted to do. And yeah, it came to, she said £80, and I was like, what if I make a video for you, blah, blah, blah. So we got down to $70, which is like £56, I think. But yeah, she was really lovely. She was like telling me about like who does it, like how many girls do it. But yeah, it seems really exciting, and I can't wait to pick up my stuff. Look who I found. Hello.
I feel great.
So when I was getting my clothes done, Mace like snuck right off and he went to go get a massage. So tell us how you feel.
It was $430, but I got it down. No, it was $500, but I got it down to $430. Haggled it, but yeah, she like kind of clipped my neck at one point, like the chiropractor. That felt actually quite good. It was a bit of a shock, but it felt good. All in all, I feel good.
And now we are at some like local food joint, and we're both trying a cow lao.
No, not trying. I've tried a cow lao.
Oh, Mace had a cow lao earlier, and then we've just been seeing it everywhere. And the lady I spoke to today said like, yeah, cow lao is like
cow lao.
a Hoi An dish.
Yeah.
And we found somewhere that does a vegetarian cow lao, so here we go.
So it smells good. Hopefully it's our food. Camera eats first. Look at this, boys. This is a cow lao, prawn cracker type thing. Some crispy onions. This is pork, and look at the noodles. Look at them. They're so thick and juicy. And down here, there's like a broth. It's delicious. It smells so good. Some spring rolls.
These spring rolls look mega.
Yeah, they look different.
They look so good.
And then she
Veggie cow
got
lao.
the veggie one.
There's like lots of mushrooms, I think, in there.
Nice.
It's good.
Then we got some sauces.
Dipping sauce. Yay! Day 2. We are on our way to a cooking class. Mimi's cooking class. We love our cooking class. If you've seen my video. If not, watch it here.
Anything for me.
Yeah, we love a cooking class. We want to experience and the culture. So I think in this one we make rice. What are they called? Spring rolls.
Spring rolls. Fried spring rolls, I think.
Maybe fried spring rolls. This like I think maybe buncha or I don't know, and maybe like pho. Anyways,
really?
Yeah.
Nice.
There was like 3 or 4 dishes. It looked really good, and we had some really nice reviews about this girl. And also included in the cooking class is a coconut boat tour, which is exciting. So we'll take you along and show you what we get up to.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Gangnam Style.
Ê, qua lại đây ơi. Ê, giật sợi ơi.
Mình Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Núi dâng cây rồi lại biến xa, ta đi đường tây lắm đêm quay cuồng chơi dần bàn tay ta nắm nỗi
Wow.
giờ nơi gió đêm vui lối này dòng máu con tim đồng hành bàn tay ta nắm nỗi trọn một vòng Việt Nam giờ nơi gió đêm vui lối này dòng máu.
This is the most random thing we've ever been on. What's going on?
I literally have no idea what happened, but it all just turned into a little like rave and ocean.
Oh, we're going again.
Everyone loves Gangnam Style. It's very, very big here.
Yeah. It's a coconut rave. Easy
Good job.
life.
Easy life for some. Some people don't have to row. Some people just get to enjoy the view.
Cruise.
Sitting next to the speaker.
I can do. What is going on?
With the garlic, take for me from 2. But if you like, you can take 3. 3 also okay, yes.
Where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean. If only through pictures and memes.
I messed mine up. We called him for backup.
Screens, it's a part Problem needs solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe. In good chat therapy.
Are you okay?
I think I need good chat therapy.
Oh, nice. Yours is bad now. Who's laughing now?
Good enough.
Good chat therapy.
Look how good that sticky rice is. How's the food?
It was good. It was really good.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I'm just going to send her the recipe.
Alright, we are currently at the tailor shop. This is where Monica got her dress and something else. Oh, she's gonna go try it on right now.
Okay, thank you.
We came in earlier and she got it tested. There was like a few minor adjustments, so we're now back 2 hours later and she's trying it on. So fingers crossed it's better. Alright, so after, I think we left you when Monica was getting her clothes tested. So there's got some minor adjustments. No, actually, yeah, there was some minor adjustments, but they made it there and then.
Quick stitching though, so they're just gonna go and tidy it up, and they said that we could wait for it, but we just wanted to go get some dinner, so
Yeah.
hopped on to dinner.
So yeah, we go back tomorrow to pick that up, and that should be it now. But yeah, after that we went and walked around. We went and got some dinner, and then we had some wine. We're 2 glasses in. Some good wine, right?
Yeah, it was really nice, and the building was so beautiful and
Yeah.
aesthetic. Stunning.
But yeah, we didn't film too much because the camera's on 10%, so we can't really film too much about it dying. But we're gonna see you guys tomorrow, and that is gonna be our last day in Hoi An.
Right.
Because we have a 16-hour bus, so that's going to be our longest bus. So
We
I'm
actually
gonna
do have the night booked for tomorrow, but because it's such a long bus, we're going to use that evening to travel to our next destination, which is Dalat.
let's go. Sorry, we're just crossing the road. Karen?
Yeah, we're going to use that evening to travel to our next destination, so we save on the
Accommodation.
evening of sleeping.
Yeah.
So that's the plan.
Yeah, so that's the plan. Oh, also, if you guys want some excursions for cheap, use our discount code Mace and Mo on Klook, and you'll get 10% off.
Mason Mo Klook.
Sorry, it's called Mace and Mo Klook. I'll put it on the screen now. Go check it out. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Alright. Last day in, where are we again?
Hoi An.
Last day in Hoi An. We have our long 16-hour bus later. So today we just had our breakfast. We had some noodle time. And now we're off to a nice little bookshop to exchange Monica's book. And then we're gonna get some food. And then we're gonna get her clothes. Basically it's just a her day, to be honest. Well, I'll let you know when we get to the bookshop. It's a vegan buffet.
I got a oat latte, cute little latte art, and Mace went for a basically like an iced tea.
Syrup, lime juice, and coffee.
Yeah, different,
Different.
and it's quite nice, right? Refreshing.
Yeah, refreshing. And
Good.
nice little kick.
Obviously, because we're on our matcha wave,
Yeah.
and Mace wanted to get a
A lemon or lime?
lime cheesecake, but they didn't have it, so we're settling with this.
Yeah. How is it?
Yeah, that cake was actually really nice and moist.
Is it bitter like the other matches?
No, it's nice and sweet, but not too sickly sweet.
Mm,
Oh no.
it's not bad actually. It grows in you.
It grows in you.
Yeah, it grows in.
Actually, I feel like I'm gonna need your hard spoon for that.
Let me try yours.
That's nice.
That's
I think you'll like that. Nice, isn't it?
that one's It's not even like a cheesecake, it's a cake.
No, it's not a cake. It's not a cheesecake, it's a cake.
Oh, it's a cake.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Nice little spot. Nice little
That's
fire.
like nice and dense too. Like, there's some substance in it. It's not like bitty, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, it's nice.
Dense is good. You're a bit dense actually. But it's good. Very nice.
And I got little kids.
Yeah? Yeah, it's very nice. Custom made.
Custom made.
Happy?
Happy.
Nice.
Very happy.
Good job. It's lunchtime.
Tofu, lemongrass, chili,
Yeah, pork noodles.
pork noodles.
Noodle time.
We are leaving. We are leaving.
Let me say that. We're literally opposite our bus station thing right now. And we're just waiting for our bus. It should be like another hour.
Ish. We don't really know. Annoyingly, we've left a day early, like an evening early, because the bus to Dalat, which is where we're going next, is 14 or 16 hours. So we're going to use the night time to obviously do our travel rather than like taken away from our day, as we need to get out of the country pretty soon. We had a 45-day visa, or free visa as a Brit is allowed, and we have been here for like nearly a month already. And we've got like a couple weeks left, so
We got a
week and a bit left,
Yeah.
but there's like so much more to see, so we need to get out. So yeah, we're leaving a night early, but it's fine.
Yeah.
We've had a lovely time.
Also, it means we're a step closer to Ho Chi Minh, which is like the big one, right?
It's a big one, yeah. I think Hanoi is the big one.
Oh, is it?
With a capital T, but Ho Chi Minh is like our next one.
Yeah.
And that will be really good.
Yeah. So yeah, if you guys have liked. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. We've loved filming it. We've loved being here.
Yeah.
And thank you, Hoi An, for being a beautiful place.
A few days.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.